everyone, it's Ben here from Mariner Media, and in this video I just want to talk a little about breakout clips. So this is a really amazing new tool you can use for your Facebook ads to up your conversions and make sure that you get a high click-through rate, which obviously bring your costs down. So basically you just sign into the site. I think the plan, so let's have a quick look at the plans first. I don't know how much it is per person. Let's have a look. Sales generation. Let's have a quick look and see if we can find the packages. This has been amazing. So there's loads of different clips you can use, and there's just so much movement in them, and they have different characters and all that kind of stuff you can use. If I can't find the plans, then I'll put them below to say how much they are. But I think per month it's about $25. So really not much. You know, if you get a couple more conversions off of your ads, then it's completely worth it. So let's have a quick look at the templates. So the templates are basically split, a lot of them. So instead of just being like a post with the writing underneath, it makes it look like the animation is coming out of the post. So this is one picture, but it looks like it's going over the text. Obviously you have the text underneath as well, but you see like this here, well, that will catch so much attention because it looks like it's coming out of the screen, which is amazing. Like Happy Canada Day, and it just it moves around, which gives so much more attention, especially the dinosaur one. This is something that I think would perform quite well because it just looks like it's popping out of the screen. And on the actual feed, it looks like obviously the comments are underneath and it's coming out, but it's only that's just the picture, and then underneath you'd have your text. But it doesn't look like that. It looks like it's supposed to be there. So it's really, really different, especially with this as well with the water washing, and it grabs so much attention as well to your copy because it's in the middle of the screen. It catches a lot more attention, and people are like, "What is this?" And it's right in the middle there. So it's really, really good little tool. So let's have a look, see what this one is. Yeah, there's some that are a bit look a bit stocky, but others that are great. So let's take, for example, let's take this one. Oh no, let's take something we can use that's actually relevant. There you go, let's customize this one. Let's do the airplane one. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so say you can do, let's customize this. And if you change the text, you can change the background. So it's not just like you have to stick with that background. You can use the actual animation overlays, but with your own background. So I used a gingerbread man the other day. So it's like a gingerbread man dancing, and then cupcakes. And I just changed the cupcake picture in the background for something that was our own dish. So then it was just a little bit more personalized. We changed the copy, which is great. So let's have a look. So you can obviously change the copy here. So it's like looking to get away this summer. You know, sign below. Something like that, for example, right? So you've got that. You can change the background, so you can do background images, background videos, anything you want. And then you've got down here, I'm still getting to grips with this, but there's a section where you can do animation. Oh yeah, so you put your background in first. So obviously this, you either do, you could do like 50% off, or you like our deals as like a static image, or you could use some kind of movement like, maybe like the Maldives or some kind of nice background image or someone on holiday. And then when you go to the next stage, you can then overlay that with the airplane. So let's do that for now. So you can either overlay that with the airplane, you could overlay that with the water. You can do whatever you want, really. So you can have that, thinking about going on holiday this year, and you have the water washing in, over your image, which is awesome. So you've got that. So this would be really good for like holiday destinations, flights, all that kind of stuff. You've got something there. This is one that I use a lot. So I have a picture of like a new dish in the background that we've done for my online baking school, and I always have the gingerbread man over the top, just dancing over it, just to capture the attention, which is awesome. It just gives you so much more movement and so much more attention grab. So what else we got? The plane. This is quite good as well. Like just a little fan of the leaves, and that just captures so much attention, especially in stories as well. What else we got? I haven't looked through. I've only been using it for a few weeks, and we've had some great results. So I've not had a chance to look through everything. The only thing I would be concerned about is things like this, for example. Facebook might not like this just because it's like very intense coming at you, and it's not a very nice user experience. If people don't like sharks, it's going to scare the hell out of them. So certain ones like that might not be approved, but little things such as this, the boxes and the dancing, like that should be fine. So if you've got like a free delivery or something, like you've got your product, you've got a picture of the product in the background, and the offer is you've got free delivery, and then that animation just ties in, with the rest of it. So really, really good. What we got here as well? It's electric, that one. I'm gonna spend all day playing on this. Yeah, just a little added something. We got a electric new offer or electric sale. It's like 50% off for the next 7 days. We're on fire. There must be fire here too somewhere. There you go. Fire. You can do whatever you want with this, and it's really, really great. Yeah, that's quite cool. And that will capture so much attention in the feed because people are looking at just like boring post, boring post, boring post, and then that pops out, and that can really up your click-through rate. We've seen a 3 times click-through rate. 3 times the amount of clicks on the ads from that, and obviously 3 times the amount of traffic. You're paying a third of the price you would do for your conversions or for your sales. So that's massive. So leave a comment below if you use breakout clips. What you're using, what kind of results you're getting, and as always, I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video.